Might be to come down a little bit, come back out. Alright, so now let's take this thing out. I think it's this. This bitch is this. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Let's see.
Clear a little bit now?
It's definitely angled.
Yeah.
Alright, Orlando, see if you can push push it towards me.
I'm coming.
Alright.
Not like that.
Yeah, go ahead.
Tell what's up.
Alright.
Lure it out.
Alright, let's see. Alright, pushing some more. Alright.
And let it down a little bit.
Yeah,
Already
try
try
to
level.
try to let it down a little bit more.
You gotta get room now since you push it up a little bit. You recording them?
I mean, you already know what time it is, man. Hey, we got Orlando Usher on this joint, man. Y'all make sure y'all go follow my man, man. That's ARLANDOUSHER.
Man doing a whole LS
Yeah,
swap,
man.
man. Can you believe it?
LS swap,
LS
man.
swap.
Got my man over here, man. He fell through the right way. You know what I mean? Ain't nobody got no better friends than I got, man.
It's good now, bro.
Alright.
You gotta watch that neck.
Yeah. Okay. That's pretty good, too.
Right up on it.
This man done help me put an LS in, man.
I can't believe
I'm gonna be
swap.
I'm gonna be forever in his debt. Alright, here we go.
Wish I could build together, bro.
Oh yeah, it's on. Alright, no, it's on this side.
You on
Alright. Okay.
Alright, what's the problem?
Okay.
Oh, you on over there?
Yeah, it's sitting on mine, but you clear the pan over here. And we clear the pan.
Oh.
Okay. Alright. Alright. Okay.
Yeah, this is white over the damn. I'm gonna drop it. Alright, it look like it went over the yours over yours?
Yeah, he good.
And it's over this one now too.
Alright, it's good up here. Oh, and it clear.
He good. He
Yeah.
good. And push it
Damn.
back.
And it's on and it's in the mount right
You
there.
good.
And I can screw that bitch in.
You good, boy? AK.
The man. The man.
Good look.
Now, just imagine had he called all of y'all at the same time.
Good
This
done.
shit would've been in yesterday.
Smart ass mother. I said, Instagram. I said, now how you, hey, I'm already feeling some kind of way. That you,
I'ma shout out my boy Bitty Boom was top of that shit right. Slide no boats here, man.
It's all right. I got both y'all numbers. I'm gonna start calling and texting and be like, he tinkering in the garage again.
I fucking with your ass up on shit. I was like, man, you ain't gotta do it by yourself, dog.
Man, bro, I promise
I called D Friday. I said, hey, man, what's up, man?
When I text you today.
Man, so I'm focused. I'm
What
like,
I-
what the fuck you talking about? Normally he public. Okay, bro.
Man, good enough. I had a whole bunch of shit going on at work.
Yeah.
When I called, when I
He said, what side of town?
I said, what side of town you on?
I said, I beat up.
Hey DC, you can get to them top 3 boats easy. It's gonna be the one in the back.
Yeah, it's gonna be that bottom cone.
You be able to get it though.
Yeah, I can get it from here. It's
Let's
running.
have them motor mount.
They right there in that little small box. There should be a small box over on this side. Damn, it's a whole goddamn LS in that bitch. And we back. change out this throttle body. So today is Friday the 13th. You know what I mean? So tomorrow is showtime. And on top of that, tomorrow I got some people's coming over to help me get that transmission and everything lined up and finish up some loose ends with this thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this popping, get this changed out. That way this is one less thing we gotta do tomorrow morning. You did, so stay tuned. Get this thing situated, man. I appreciate that, man. For real, man. For real, for real. Hey, we got that ghetto.
Right.
Yeah, see, we got that ghetto on this shit. Something like you need what is it called? Starter fluid. You don't need no starter fluid, man. And man said, man, get a plastic bottle, put a hole in the top, put gas in there.
We're gonna hit it.
Alright, man. Back down. Alright. You got it?
It's still squirting.
It's squirting?
Yeah, don't do it no more.
Alright.
He got all on your windshield. Oh, where the gas at?
Take a quick little wipe down. And then I slip me though, slip down. I'm spinning around anyways and pressure wash it down.
Oh yeah.
Instead of getting up to try.
I don't understand. Oh yeah, because the belt is connected to it. That's why. I want to hit the gas so bad, but I keep forgetting.
I wouldn't do it.
Nah, don't do it. Hey, you messing up.